The complete ear anatomy. This is the pinna, the outer ear that you can see, and this is the ear canal where the eardrum is located. This is one of the most important parts of our outer ear. Now, look, this is the whole anatomical structure of your ear. This is the outer part where the skin is present, the wax secreting glands, hair that you see as the whitish matter, and this is the inner middle portion of your ear, which contains three bones: malleus, incus, and stapes, hammer, anvil, and stirrup. ठीक है? They have different names, and this snail-like structure is called the cochlea, which is the most important part of the internal ear. This is the eustachian tube. Look where it is going. It is going into your mouth. It goes there to equalize the pressure between the ear and the mouth, right? Hence, whenever the air from this portion enters your ear, it will exit from here, right? Then this is the part of the internal ear, right? It is divided into three columns: mm, scala media, vestibuli, and tympani, right? And it has this basilar membrane with hair cells present in it, which are the most important portion responsible for hearing in human beings, right? Now this is the actual structure of cochlea, right? From here the sound enters, and the portions in the cochlea have a fluid filled in it, which vibrates when the air particles vibrating enter into it, right? Then the hair cells that I showed you in the previous slide, they vibrate, and then the nerves are connected to those hair cells, and they take the nerve impulses into the brain, the temporal lobe. Now this is another section of the cochlea, the outer ear. These are those three parts, and look at this. This is the sound wave through air that is coming. This is the eardrum or the tympanic membrane. Outside it is covered with skin and hair, and towards the inner side, back side, or at the round window, it is covered with mucus and other things. This is malleus, this is incus, and this is stapes, hammer, anvil, and stirrup, right? And this bone is the weakest or the smallest bone of our body, right? This is a very important question. Then this is the oval window from where the snail-like structure cochlea starts, with the filled water in it or any other compound. Then this is the nerve that goes to the brain, temporal lobe, where it produces a sensation of sound. Then we get to know कि ये क्या sound है, ये क्या आवाज़ है, right? And then this is the eustachian tube, as I told you. ये कान से माउथ को जाती है. Sometimes when you get cold or any other problem, you do feel a pain there because of the eustachian tube. Now the middle ear. This is the middle ear where the bones are present. These bones are very important in sound mechanism. Why? Because they amplify or increase the volume of the sound that you are hearing, right? And this tympanic membrane, as you know, you shouldn't use too much of earphones or any other component. Why? Because they directly throw a harsh sound onto your ear. You might not feel it, but gradually your listening capacity will reduce and you'll become deaf very early. Now this is the internal ear. Look, it's like a snail, but it is one of the most important structures of our brain. Why? Because it lets us listen. That's why we are able to speak and also protect ourselves from dangers in situations. This is the Semicircular canals, three semicircular canals mutually perpendicular to each other, like electromagnetic waves, and these let us maintain body balance. So now you know that why you feel like dizziness when you um, rotate your head for a long time. Now this is the structure of ear. This is outer ear pinna, this is middle ear, and then this is the internal ear, right? This is the eustachian tube, as I told you earlier. These are some of the fat glands or wax glands present near your ear. Then this is the outer ear, right? This is concha, helix, and all other thing like tagus. All these things. If you want to know it in detail, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment if you want more videos on such topic. Thank you.